In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an exercise program in Practice Better. We'll move from a blank slate to a structured workout plan your clients can follow with confidence, and I'll share practical tips so everything is clear and easy to use. Start by heading to My Practice, then My Programs. Look for the Fast Action button and click Create Program. You'll be asked to choose a program type. Fixed date works well for programs that start and end on specific dates, like a 4-week challenge that everyone begins together. Evergreen is ideal if you want ongoing enrollment with a set schedule for each client as they join. Self-paced is best when clients move at their own speed and unlock content without fixed dates. Pick what suits your coaching style, then give your program a clear name and a concise description. Explain who it's for, the goals, and what participants can expect, so clients know exactly what they're signing up for. Set the duration or schedule based on the type you chose, keeping the timeline realistic for your audience. Once your program is created, open its overview and click Add Module. Think of modules as units or lessons. For an exercise program, each module could be a workout block, a training phase, or a week of the plan. Naming modules consistently, like Week 1, Foundation or Phase 2, Strength, helps clients track their progress and understand the progression. Inside each module, add your content. Use text to provide clear instructions, including rep ranges, tempo, rest times, and form cues. You can embed videos for exercise demonstrations so clients can see proper technique without leaving the platform. Include downloadable attachments, such as PDF workouts or checklists for those who like an offline reference. Add tasks to give clients specific actionable steps, like do 3 sets of squats on day 1. Tasks make expectations unambiguous and help clients stay accountable by marking items complete. If your program includes rest or mobility days, add those as tasks too, so the plan feels balanced and intentional. As you build, keep instructions concise but thorough, and use consistent language across modules. If you're offering progressions, note how clients should adjust weights or reps over time. When you're satisfied, save your changes and publish. Clients enrolled in the program will be able to access the modules, follow the workouts, watch demos, download materials, and mark tasks complete right inside Practice Better. That's all you need to create a structured, engaging exercise program that supports your clients from start to finish.